Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the drive or disk letter as well as the drive name on your Windows 11 computer. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search magnify icon down in your system taskbar, and you want to search for disk management. Best match to come back with create and format hard disk partitions. Go ahead and open that up. Right click on the drive you want to change the letter or name for and select change drive letter and path. If you want to change the drive letter, you can select the change button here, and as long as the drive letter isn't being used, it'll appear in this drop down list that you can select from. So let's go cancel out of that. And let's say you wanted to instead change the name of the drive. You could right click on it, select properties, and you can see the name up here. You can actually delete and change it to whatever you want. And select apply and OK. And you see it's changed its name. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.